What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bobby G, and I've got another really good video for you today. Today we're going to be unboxing 3 new cases that are from a brand that I'm not too familiar with, just to be honest with y'all. It is going to be Aulumu. So Aulumu, I've got 3 of their cases right here. We've got 1, 2, 3. Of course, we have their case that is going to have this very unique venting on all 3 of their designs. So they all come with this special thing. You could say their niche thing is going to be that each one of their cases is going to have a built-in little vent where the CPU is supposed to be. So they're very unique. They have a different look. I think it's very modern, very techy. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump into it, see what we got, and then at the very end we'll try on the phones, okay? Open it up. Okay, very nice. So very simplistic unboxing with it, nothing too complicated. Let's go ahead and pull this case out and see what we've got. So there's that venting that I mentioned to y'all right there, little vented slots. It does have MagSafe right there. Seems like a plastic around where the camera cover is at. To the side, there's our buttons. So they kind of feel like they're maybe a little bit metallic. Inside right there, so it's got MagSafe, alignment magnet, covered action button, so you already know that's going to be a win right there. And there's the bottom with the accurate cutouts for mic, USB-C, and speaker. So far so good, but it's just a good old-fashioned basic, feels like a TPU case. So it does, look on the box right here. Yeah, it's just gonna be a good old-fashioned basic TPU case, okay? The next one we're gonna do from Aulumu is going to be this case right here. It's gonna be the transparent crystal case. So transparent case right here. Then you already know, opening it up. So this one's going to be just kind of similar to the other one. This one's actually a much more rigid. So this is a very rigid, I'm trying to flex it. It's very rigid, hard plastic. But if you can see right there, it does have the, try to bring that into focus, it does have those vents right there around the CPU. They call it the CPU cooling holes. That's really fancy, right? So MagSafe right there, alignment magnet, accurate cutouts for the bottom, so microphone, USB-C speaker. Looks like it's got a decent size for the USB-C. So this one I was worried because on the picture, if you look right here on the picture, it does look like it's got a cutout for the action button, so I actually was worried. But now that I've got it open, it does have a covered action button, volume up, volume down, and then we'll see how tactile. But this is like this is super rigid, hard plastic. It's not flexing at all under pressure. Then we've got our last one, which is going to be A15. Well, they're all A15. So this one's just going to be another one of their cases. Let me see if I can find a little bit more information about their official names. Open it up. So actually this one actually does look really nice. So this one has a very different look to it. It's got a metal, so let's go ahead and pull it out and bring it in. So it's got metal right here for that CPU cooling holes. Bring it in for the smell taste. I'm gonna bring it in for the smell test. It smells like not really leather, but okay. You got the power button right there. Inside some MagSafe, alignment magnet right there. Different view of those cooling holes for the CPU. Covered action button right there. So there's the bottom, accurate cutouts, microphone, USB-C, and speaker. All right, so let's go ahead and cut away, and then we'll do a montage of these different cases being put in here. All right, now this is going to be the frosted case from Aulumu. Something I will tell you right now is this case is a fingerprint magnet, so just being upfront with it. I've got a screen protector on it, and there is zero lip. Basically zero lip. It's like right there, maybe a hair worth of a lip. So when it lays down, you're pretty much going to be on your screen protector. A little bit of protection, like it's again slightly raised above it, but not much. There's your bottom for your accurate cutouts. It's going to be your side. Buttons are very tactile, so I will give them that. But again, this case for the frosted is a oil and fingerprint magnet. There's going to be the back right there. You do have that slightly raised camera bump on there, but not by much. So this one's going to be very minimal protection. Okay, so this is going to be the vegan leather right here. I do like it. It does have a good feel to it. That kind of that faux leather, right? It's not real leather. It's vegan leather. Buttons are a little bit stiffer, but it does have very tactile feedback for them. We'll do the back first. So as you can see, about the same raised lip for camera. There's gonna be leather wrapped around the sides. Good tactile button feedback. And here's gonna be the bottom. So for your accurate cutouts, your, of course, microphone, USB-C, and your speaker. But this one is, at least to me, it looks like it's gonna be a little bit on the smaller side when it comes to USB-C port. So it might limit what chargers you can use. And there's that little fancy window that they have, what they call their CPU cooling holes. Then for this one, this is actually gonna have a higher raised lip than the last one I just showed you. So that is something to keep in mind when you're looking to buy a case. This one does have a higher raised lip for a screen protector. The only thing I'd be worried about on this one is how fast this white vegan leather does discolor. So that's something to keep in mind. And this one is going to have aluminum, and they do say that it's aluminum, so I'm guessing they're talking about the aluminum buttons. So this one actually looks really good on the phone, not gonna lie. It's just super hard plastic, which can probably be either a fingerprint magnet eventually, or it could scratch pretty easy, but only time will tell. So let's start with the camera bump. Right there again, about the same raised height for the camera bump. It does have nice feeling buttons, very tactile, probably aluminum. Covered action button as I mentioned, and then your accurate cutouts on the bottom for your microphone, USB-C, which is a little bit wider opening on this one. Not as tall, but a little bit wider, and then speaker. So this one is going to have about, I'd say, it's gonna be about a hair raised higher than your screen protector. So I've got a screen protector on this, and it's barely got just a little bit that'll protect your front when laying it face down. So that is the three cases. I will tell you, between the three, my personal favorite pick is probably going to be, out of these three that we just saw on the phone, I would probably say it's going to be this the vegan leather one, the white vegan leather. So I just like the feel of that. The other two, while they are unique, this one right here, the crystal clear case, it's just very hard plastic. I thought I was going to like damage my phone trying to get in there. It was a really uncomfortable fit, really tight. The frosted back one, or the frosted case, is going to be a fingerprint magnet. So if you're like me and you're super OCD about that stuff, avoid this one at all costs. Again, my winner is going to definitely be the vegan leather in white. So, all right, that's the review, folks, and I'm going to go ahead and roll the outro. This is going to be the call to action after the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do me a favor. Let's talk it up in the comment section. Let's chat it up. Please like and subscribe. I really could use your help in getting 100 subs. We didn't quite reach that goal in 2023, but guess what? It's a new year. New videos coming out. Please share this with your family, your friends, anybody you know. Get it out there. Let's make this YouTube channel blow up in 2024, okay? Thank you for your time. Have a great day.